Hello beautiful people, nice to see you again. Alright guys, let's start with this makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be using all affordable makeup. Like everything I'm going to use on this video clip is going to be affordable, like under £10 affordable. That's where we are going. Like, yeah, I'm going that way. So today's products, 99% of these products are going to be by Technic. So Technic cosmetic, they are like affordable, like the OG of affordable. Their products retail for like £2 something, £3 something, £4, £5, £6. So they are like the OG of affordable, you know. So if you are like a beginner in makeup, or you can't really afford high-end makeup, that is why I'm here, to help you slay using affordable makeup. Yeah, and I will also be using some affordable brushes. Like I'm going in on this look, I'm going in. So I'm going to be using affordable brushes, and this is by NIP+FAB. If you know me, if you watched me for like a year and a half ago, you will know NIP+FAB was my bae. I bought like a very cheap set from eBay, which was really nice. So they sent me some of their brushes, you know. Yeah, I got you covered because one of my subscribers asked for affordable brushes. This is the best. I had to contact this brand like to get you this brush, to do this review for you. This is my subscriber, the way I love you, because I know this is the best affordable brush I've ever used. I bought mine from eBay at NIP+FAB brushes. And everything you need is here. 15 brush set. You can't go wrong with 15 brush set. Is this brush though? Like, how cute is this? So let's go with this makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to prime my skin using the Technic primer spray. No, prime spray. That means a primer, but you have to spray it. They did not state how long this primer is supposed to hold your makeup, but they just said spray it on your face and it will give you a flawless makeup application. I don't understand. Is this supposed to like make my skin, like prime my skin? Nobody said anything, but we are going to go with it. It has a bit of scent to it, so if you are not a fan of scent, just leave it alone. So I'll just blend this all over my skin. So I'm just going to leave this to like setting. Technic has foundation. I'm going to try this shade Honey. This shade is look like orange tone. I don't know where they were going with this color, but it looked like orange tone to me. But I will use this to color correct my skin. The good thing about this is that you can twist it up to get the product out. Just twist and the product comes out. First thing I would say is that it's very creamy, so I'm not mad at that. I'm keeping this thing affordable. I ever use an affordable sponge. Where is this from? Sorry, let me check. LA Girl. You see, we are affordable. When you are using cream, if I'm using cream product, I like to just use sponge to just blend it out. To keep it affordable, I'm going to use the Flawless foundation. This foundation has SPF of 15. The NIP+FAB Kabuki brush. So let's go with the affordable brush. Just dab it. I tell you, I've taken a lot of foundation, I know. Yeah, don't worry. We'll blend it out. This foundation is really nice. Like somebody called the pastor. This brush is beautiful. Keep blending. This brush is a keeper. The excess foundation on my face. I need to like blend all that out. Makes sense their cream palette, like foundation contour palette, so I can use this to highlight and contour my face. It's like 8-piece palette. So I'll use this concealer brush from NIP+FAB color. Yeah, this brush is not bad.
choke you down just like a pill.
I'm going to take this brush, so I'm going to take that shade. I'm going to use that to contour, so just dab it there. I'm using a very light hand. I'm really impressed with this concealer. Look at that. I'm just going to take this brush from NIP+FAB. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm not the best teacher when it comes to contouring your nose, because everybody have their own nose. My nose is not your nose. This palette is nice. I like it. I'm going to use the Technic color correcting setting powder. To me, this is a banana powder, so I don't know what they're talking about. It looks like a banana powder. For a £2 something powder, this is not bad. I've seen worse. This is not bad. This is really blending into my skin. This Technic powder is nice. I'm not even joking. To set the contouring in place, I'm going to use the Define and Highlight Contour Kit. The dark shade. I'll just use the NIP+FAB. You know, we're using one brush set. Just take that. Then bronze your skin.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
My skin is looking bomb, man. Ha! I can't even believe it. Look at me slaying. Slaying with this affordable makeup. I can even go out like this with the setting powder on my under eyes. People will still think I look beautiful. Technic has this brow gel. It's here. So I'm going to try this out. That was fast to use. So I'm taking this brush from the NIP+FAB collection.
You like a
This is the good brow today. This one is just, yeah. So I'm going to prime my lids. The Technic did not have a eyeshadow primer. They didn't add any. I'm going to use F. This is like, I think, £3. Then after applying this, I'm going to set it with the setting powder to keep it in place. Mostly if you are like me and your eyeshadow moves, set the primer. Okay, the eyeshadow palette for today is by Technic, and this is retail for like £6. So this is the Technic Pro Finish eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this shade. Take this brush by NIP+FAB. On affordable eyeshadow, the pigment is showing. I don't want to tune on to the top lash because I want to put pink. Is it pink? Yeah, pink on my bottom today. Yeah, I'm going there. I'm going to take hash 4. Oh, that color is beautiful. That reminds me of Cocoa Bear by Makeup Gig. This brush is beautiful. I'll use the Technic brush that comes with the eyeshadow. I'm going to take hash 7. Hashtag 7. I'm going to blend this at the outermost corner of the eyes, just to give the eyes some definition instead of using black. This palette is not bad for the price. It's not bad at all. I'm not mad at this. I'm going to go back with hash 11 and use that to blend. I'm going to take this smallish brush from the NIP+FAB collection, hash 15 right here, and hash 2, and give yourself a very neutral color. Because I'm wearing this big hair, I'm trying to to keep it neutral on the eye. This actually make my eyes look bigger. Oh, I like that. To prep my lip for the lipstick. This is by L'Oreal. The L'Oreal Tint Lip Oil. Very nice on the lip. Technic has a liner, so I'm going to use the Technic Skinny Liner. So I'm going to dust off this powder. So this is the Technic Color Fix Water Resistant Press Powder. I don't know if this is my shade. It was looking red when I swatched it, so I'm just using a little bit. Like baking with this Technic powder, it's taking difficult to wipe off. It looks beautiful. Oh dear. I'm going to take the Technic Matte Blush palette, which looks like this. That is pretty. That is really pretty. So I'm just going to apply a black liner to my waterline. Just a little bit. So I'm going to take a pink shadow from this palette. This is by Beauty UK, also affordable brand. So I'm going to take these two colors, this and this color. So I'm going to use the small blending brush by NIP+FAB. I'm going to spray my face with the Makeup Revolution Mist and Set. It gets gorgeous bronzing highlighting powder. This is nice, so I'm going to use this. So I'm just going to use this brush by Black Canvas Cosmetic to highlight my face. That highlighter is beautiful. Guess what? This highlighter is just like £2 something. Can you believe this? No way. This can't be a £2 highlighter. Like, is somebody joking? Hello, most one. So for my lip, I'm going to take this Technic Ombre Lip Pencil. I'll use the other side. Then use that to fill my lip. So now I'm going to take a lip topper. This is a lip topper by NIP+FAB. NIP+FAB is also an affordable brand. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. Like the pop of color, the pink on the eyes, on the lip. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think at the comment section about this whole look and the product I use. I love the brushes by NIP+FAB. They were really soft on the skin, really nice to use. A 15-piece brush is nice for a beginner to use, guys. So I'm really impressed with this brush. So if you're interested, link will be at the description bar if you're looking for affordable brushes. All the makeup I use today, like I said, they are all affordable. They are like under £10. So everything will be listed at the description bar. Let me know if you like more of this type of videos. I will come and do more of this type of videos for you guys. You know, I got you covered. You know, you're my people. You understand me. We understand each other. Okay. Hashtag affordable, you know. So for the hair, like I said, the hair tutorial will be out soon. I'm going to link it up here if it's out, or at the description bar when the hair tutorial is out. I know a lot of people will have questions about this big hair. You know, go big. Big hair don't care. You know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.